Hello everybody, Zach here. When customers first hear about Cat Reman, they might say something like, Caterpillar has a lot of options, but they don't have the remanufactured products I need for my business. So let's send it over to Bo, our resident Cat Reman expert, to help bust this myth for good.
Thanks, Zach. You know, we designed the Cat Reman product line to meet the needs of the industry served by Caterpillar. This includes construction, mining, energy and transportation, as well as on-highway truck engines. We have parts for agriculture, demolition and scrap, forestry, railway power, and more. Plus, we've got Cat Reman components such as service replacement complete engines, long blocks, and short blocks that can be utilized in the machinery of other OEMs that have Cat engines. Now let's learn a little more. Does your equipment need repair? Good news, there are over 8,000 parts, components, and kits in our product line. Caterpillar remanufactures products for your drivetrain system, from final drives to transmissions, and we make sure they operate with efficient power flow and increased wear resistance. Our electronics parts include alternators, displays, and electronic control modules, or ECMs. They're all built to withstand harsh operating environments and made to last through your equipment's next life cycle. How about hydraulics? Well, there's a variety of cylinder groups and rods, as well as pumps, motors, and other products. In some cases, we even have options for your undercarriage. Consider idlers, rollers, pivot shafts, and other parts so your equipment can go where it needs to go. And let's not forget the components essential to keep your engine running, like turbochargers, air compressors, camshafts, oil coolers, and water pumps. In fact, depending on price range and replacement needs, you can choose between long blocks and short blocks, as well as complete Cat Reman engines. When your engine or parts reach the end of their life cycle, you can't afford downtime. That's why Cat Reman products are a straightforward, drop-in solution designed to help lower your owning and operating costs. To put it simply, they offer like-new performance, backed by a same-as-new Caterpillar limited warranty for a fraction of new price. We can provide these cost savings thanks to our core exchange model. As long as your used part, or core, passes our flexible core acceptance criteria, you're eligible for a core refund towards the Cat Reman part you've just purchased. The Cat Reman business model helps us keep our supply chain strong, using 65 to 87% less energy and using 80 to 90% less raw materials than the manufacturer of new parts. We don't just look to improve our current set of offerings. Cat Reman is continuously adding new product options and design updates to our portfolio. We're here to support your bottom line for this life cycle and the next. Back to you, Zach.
Thanks for the insights, Bo. As you can see, there's more to Cat Reman than many people realize. If you have additional questions about the product line, contact your local authorized Cat dealer or visit cat.com/Reman. We'll see you next time.